In the modern manufacturing industry, progressive die technology has emerged as a crucial trend, showcasing its capability to accommodate large-scale production of diverse-sized and shaped products. Through the utilization of an automated feeding stamping line with progressive die characteristics, materials undergo continuous processing, allowing for precise control over the stamping process. This is a high-speed die stamping line destined for the Middle East, featuring the APA-110 high-speed stamping machine with 2 accompanying die designs, along with an efficient feeding line, Decoiler MT-200 high-precision straightener HSA2-2, and Servo Feeder RNC-200. The production line efficiently addresses the stamping needs of 2 distinct customer products, structurally simple metal washers and intricately crafted cylindrical products, primarily used in the manufacturing of electronic products. Tailoring to the shapes, processing scales, and precision requirements of the products, we have designed 2 different die customization solutions. For metal washers, we have employed a progressive die design with a 1:3 ratio, a highly suitable solution for products with simple structural shapes, large demand. Meanwhile, for cylindrical products, we have implemented a progressive die design involving stretching and rotary cutting. Considering the relatively larger height of the products, we have designed a multi-step stretching process based on stretch coefficients. Post-formation, edge trimming is performed, ultimately achieving the rotary cutting of the product. The successful implementation of this design has not only enhanced the overall efficiency of the production line, but has also provided customers with high-quality products that meet market demands. HE Machine anticipates that this advanced stamping line design will contribute to the sustained success of your production and secure a competitive advantage in the market. Should you have any further questions or wish to discuss details, we are ready to engage in meaningful conversations to drive your manufacturing business towards a more remarkable future.